Have you ever wondered why, even after sleeping for 7 or 8 hours, you can wake up feeling weaker, stiffer, and less steady than the day before? Isn't sleep supposed to recharge us? For people over 60, the shocking truth is this. Instead of building strength overnight, your body may actually be losing muscle as you sleep. Scientists call this hidden condition sarcopenia, and it's one of the biggest reasons so many seniors feel tired, fragile, or off balance, even when they think they're living healthy. But here's the good news. New research shows you can actually reverse this decline while you rest, simply by giving your body the right nutrients at the right time. Tonight, I'll show you the first one. And it's so powerful, I recommend it to nearly all my patients. That nutrient is magnesium. Often nicknamed the relaxation mineral, magnesium does far more than calm your nerves or help you drift off to sleep. It is the toolbox your body uses to rebuild muscle. Protein from your diet, eggs, chicken, beans, or shakes, is the raw building material. But without magnesium, those bricks just sit there unused. Your muscles remain weak because your body can't convert protein into new tissue. Scientific studies back this up. A 2019 review in the journal Nutrients found that adults over 60 with higher magnesium levels had greater muscle mass, stronger grip, and better walking speed. Another study from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society linked magnesium deficiency directly to higher rates of frailty and falls. Why? Because magnesium is essential for protein synthesis, energy production inside your cells, and muscle relaxation after contractions. Without it, your muscles stay tight, inflamed, and slow to recover. The problem is, deficiency is extremely common after 60. Aging reduces absorption. Medications like diuretics, antacids, and even common blood pressure drugs deplete it further. Add stress, processed food, and low vegetable intake. And many seniors are unknowingly running on empty. That's why a small nightly dose of magnesium glycinate or citrate, usually 200 to 400 milligrams, can be a game changer. These forms are gentle on digestion and quickly absorb. Taken before bed, magnesium not only helps you fall asleep, but also guides you into deep restorative sleep, where muscle repair and hormone balancing occur. If you've ever had night cramps, restless legs, or morning stiffness, those may be magnesium whispers, your body's way of asking you to restore what's missing. Think of magnesium as the quiet engineer working overnight. Give your body the tools, and it will rebuild strength while you sleep. Skip it, and you may keep waking up weaker each day. For anyone over 60 who wants to stay strong, steady, and independent, this is the first nutrient I never ignore. If magnesium is the toolbox for muscle repair, then vitamin D3 is the power switch. Without it, your muscles simply don't receive the right signals to move, recover, or grow stronger. Most people think of vitamin D as only the sunshine vitamin for bones, but here's the surprising truth. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the leading yet overlooked causes of muscle weakness, balance problems, and falls in adults over 60. Research proves this clearly. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that older adults with low vitamin D had significantly weaker leg muscles and slower walking speed. Another large meta-analysis in the British Medical Journal found that vitamin D supplementation reduced the risk of falls by up to 19%. Not because of bone changes, but because it improved muscle coordination and strength. Imagine that, a single nutrient influencing whether you can stand up from a chair, climb stairs, or catch yourself if you stumble. The reason is simple. Vitamin D acts like a messenger. It tells your muscle fibers when to contract, when to relax, and how to respond to nerve signals. Without enough D, those messages get scrambled. Seniors often describe it as feeling wobbly, or like their legs don't respond the way they used to. Once vitamin D levels are restored, many patients report feeling steadier, stronger, and more confident in their movements. But here's the part few people know. Taking vitamin D3 at night may be the most effective. Your body does most of its repair and regeneration while you sleep. Vitamin D supports testosterone, growth hormone, and calcium absorption, all of which peak during deep sleep. Paired with magnesium, it creates a powerful synergy. Magnesium activates vitamin D, allowing your body to actually use it. Without magnesium, D3 just sits idle, unable to perform its job. Another key factor is pairing vitamin D3 with vitamin K2. Why? Because D3 boosts calcium absorption, but K2 directs that calcium into your bones, not your arteries. This prevents calcification where you don't want it and strengthens the very structures you rely on for balance and stability. How much do you need? That depends. Some people may only require 1,000 IU daily, while others, especially those who avoid the sun, need 2,000 to 5,000 IU under medical guidance. The smart move is always to get your levels tested. But here's what I see consistently. Once vitamin D3 plus K2 levels are optimized, seniors report deeper sleep, less joint pain, more morning energy, and even improved mood. Think of vitamin D3 and K2 as your nighttime bodyguards. They protect your muscles, strengthen your bones, and sharpen your balance signals while you sleep. For anyone over 60, this combination is not optional. It's essential. If vitamin D is the power switch, then vitamin C is the repair crew. Most people only think of it for colds and immunity, but after 60, vitamin C becomes one of the most overlooked nutrients for protecting your muscles, joints, and connective tissue. Here's why. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, the protein that acts like scaffolding for your body. Collagen keeps muscles strong, ligaments flexible, and joints cushioned. Without enough of it, tissues weaken, recovery slows, and stiffness sets in. This is one of the reasons so many seniors complain about sore joints, sagging muscles, or slower healing even after simple activities like walking or gardening. The science is clear. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2019, found that older adults with higher vitamin C intake had stronger grip strength and a lower risk of sarcopenia. Another review in Nutrients, 2020, confirmed that vitamin C reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, two major drivers of muscle aging. That means vitamin C doesn't just build collagen, it protects muscle cells from the tiny rust spots that accumulate during daily activity. I often tell my patients, think of vitamin C as an insurance policy for your muscles and joints. It lowers inflammation, speeds up recovery, and strengthens the connective tissue that holds everything together. And here's something most people don't realize. Taking vitamin C in the evening can actually be especially effective. Why? Because your body performs its deepest repair work during sleep. Having vitamin C available at that time ensures your tissues get the raw material they need to rebuild overnight. Practical tip: you don't always need pills. Some of the best nighttime vitamin C sources are whole foods. A small bowl of strawberries, a sliced kiwi, or even steamed broccoli after dinner can provide your body with a steady supply. For those who prefer supplements, 500 to 1,000 milligrams of buffered vitamin C is usually gentle and effective. Many of my patients combine it with an unflavored collagen powder in warm water or lemon tea before bed. They describe it as a nighttime tonic, calming, hydrating, and restorative. The bottom line, vitamin C may not get as much attention as protein, magnesium, or vitamin D, but its role in collagen production and cellular defense makes it one of the quiet powerhouses of anti-sarcopenia nutrition. For anyone over 60 who wants to keep their muscles resilient and their joints pain-free, a little vitamin C each night can make a remarkable difference. If vitamin C is the repair crew for your connective tissue, then omega-3 fatty acids are the firefighters that calm the silent inflammation burning away at your muscles. After 60, Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the biggest hidden enemies of strength and mobility. It doesn't just cause stiffness. It accelerates muscle breakdown, weakens recovery, and makes every step feel heavier. This is where omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA from fish oil, play a remarkable role. The science is powerful. A landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2011, showed that older adults who supplemented with 4 grams of omega-3 daily increased their muscle protein synthesis by 30%, essentially turning back the clock on how efficiently their bodies could build a new muscle. Another trial published in the Journal of Gerontology, 2015, found that seniors who took omega-3s had greater improvements in walking speed, grip strength, and overall muscle function compared to those who didn't. How do they work? Omega-3s integrate into the membranes of your muscle cells, making them more flexible and responsive to signals for growth and repair. They also reduce pro-inflammatory cytokines, the chemical messengers that cause pain, swelling, and tissue breakdown. In plain terms, omega-3s create an environment inside your body where healing and growth can actually happen. Most people associate omega-3 with heart health, but its benefits for muscle health after 60 are just as critical. In fact, many experts now consider omega-3s an anti-sarcopenia nutrient. Seniors with higher blood levels of omega-3 consistently perform better in tests of strength, balance, and endurance. Practical tip: if you eat fatty fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel 2 to 3 times per week, you may already be getting a good base. But for many older adults, a concentrated fish oil supplement, ideally providing 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily, is needed to reach therapeutic levels. For vegetarians, algal oil is an excellent plant-based alternative. Taking it with dinner or before bed ensures those fatty acids are available overnight, when your body does its heaviest repair work. Think of omega-3s as the cooling balm for your muscles. While you sleep, they quietly put out the fires of inflammation, protect delicate tissues, and support the process of muscle regeneration. Combined with magnesium, vitamin D 3 plus K2, and vitamin C, omega-3s complete a powerful nighttime routine that helps seniors wake up not weaker, but stronger, steadier, and ready for the day ahead.